So, me there work, and me get a call from the neighbor say, yo, I be a commotion a go on up at your yard. I be a shot of fire and them something there. So, me can I just hurry up and left out like, me leave a clock out like, me just left out and rush go home, you know. And me did there, I pull up in the driveway, and me not really see nothing go on, so, me not take it as nothing, so, when me reach up the driveway, I'm just run go in the house. And me reach the house, and me see Punsi and a disco. Hey, wait, what you want? Yo, what kind of commotion you say going up from morning? What kind of commotion you talk about? So where did the donut come from? Huh? I said, where did you get the donut? So what did donut have to do with any of this? It has everything to do with what's going on here. You don't worry yourself, man. We want to know. So you only about to comment and say you're going to chat and listen to find out how I chat, the neighbor them chat too much backside. Yeah, mama chat. Hello, by the way, nobody get donut, take a donut, you're greedy. Oh, I don't know for them, because they don't take up one. Hello, listen, let me tell you something. Come on, backside man. Come on, man. Sure. Come on, man. Come on, man. Backside man. I'm tired of you, man. Sure. But in all seriousness, it's like from the I just have this feeling like Punsi of like a next man. Like, I feel like she give me money.
Sir, that doesn't make any sense. Carry on.
I feel like she give me money now because I don't know. Because for the last 4 months, we not do nothing, she not give me nothing, she not pay me no attention, she don't want to give me
stop telling like I'm a hey. Side near me, this side, stop come straight, papa,
hold on
now. Near me now.
Yo, give me money now, it's alright, me not say nothing.
No, you're tired of him, let me watch it.
Yo, say that, give me money, say I believe, I know you love me, I love you, me
not say nothing.
You wanna see how I'm sitting there with me if you got you? But anyhow, after me talk to her and she run me out the room now, I go to back now. And I did that, I be my little tune like I'm normally do like, yo, we have a new song come out, you know. My girl just arch up her back and bend over. Let me see that little thing there, you know, yellow wine up or something like you know, oh, gosh, like you go on to you, you know. Yeah, man, it's soon drop, but yeah, I work on the new tune and I have on the same time. I be a shot star fire. I mean, look at Johnny like. Get a madman gun. Free, like one. Who get a madman gun? The man that's come by the way, so shoot all over. In all seriousness, I know who give me. Me, know who him get it from.
Seed sucker, yo.
Yeah, Mango.
Mayo, what you want?
Mango, yo, are you the Johnny gun, my yacht?
Right, hey, so what's the game gun there, my yacht? Alright, them bad.
Yo, Mike, where you get a madman gun from my yacht?
Hey, Johnny is not mad. I mean, I tell him so you call him mad.
No, don't tell him so call him mad. Don't tell him so call him mad. Alright. Yo, at this point, you know, I'm ready to move out of the house, you know, because I'm not staying with them, you know. I be a mad people in there, you know. So, after all of the commotion now, me fall back in the house and me they put on some food from yesterday, so I'm overnight food saying me I go eat it, right? Me go in the fridge now. And yo, my food got how, why, who, me no know. Punsi a vegetarian, so me know say she take you out. The only smelly within in the house right now are Ross. And the food that me put in there are pork. So me no know how. So me decides alright, I go ask for Sarah. Yo, Ross, are you eating food out of the fridge, my yacht? Yes, I ate the food in the refrigerator, sir. But I have to go in the fridge when you move food I've left in there. Virgin, remember that me not moving there, remember what you said to me, no? Yo, Ross, anything you seen this or you want, yo, just take it. I hear one them, man. Know yourself, man. So yes, me come home, I'm hungry, I'm going to the fridge, I'm see the food, I'm take it. I'm not think you're restaurant and pork. Brother, that was curry chicken, that is not no pork, no matter what them something there. Curry chicken, a curry pork. Curry pork. Brother, you're a rasta, what you do on your pork? Pork, pig, and you yam it. Yo, what kind of nastiness you put down in a house, my yard? You know, should have known your pork. Okay, to get a better understanding of the situation. When the eye came home, the eye was hungry and the eye went inside the fridge and the eye seen the food. The eye did not know it was curry pork because the eye never hear of no curry pork. Look, no see no mind, that's a young. Yo, me move on to my yard. What did I do, my yard? Yo, you know that. Yo. You can't do the item something there, brother. Yo. I hear of curry chicken and curry goat. I never hear about no curry pork. The man and the pork, you know. I was like a curry pork. Jarastafari King Selassie, your praise I and I. Oi! What kind of evilous thoughts was that? Oh, curry pork. Where them get them something from I? Yo, I say, I be a mad somebody living in the house with me, no? Jarastafari, I burn my bonfire for the whole of them, you know. No, sir.